Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and create Windows 10 bootable USB flash. Open your favorite browser, search for rufus.ie, hit enter. With this software we can create bootable and also download Windows image. Scroll down, download the latest release. It is 4.15.exe. When it is finished, open it. Double click on Rufus. Here wait a few moments. This drop down will appear here. If it is not appear, use VPN. In this step, click in this drop down, select download. Click on download. Here select your image. You can download Windows 10 or Windows 11. I want to download Windows 10. Continue. Here select Windows edition. It is 22H2. It is the latest version of Windows 10. Continue. Here select the edition. It is Home, Pro and Education. OK. Continue. Select your language. English International is OK. Continue. Select your architecture. Depend on your hardware. x86 or 64. I want to select 64. You can download using a browser. You can download directly. Click on download. Here ask you where do you want to store this file. I want to store and download. Then click on save. It will take some time depend on your network, but I have already downloaded. When this step finished, close it. Close. We have Windows 10 ISO here. In this step you need a USB flash drive 8 gig or above 8 gig. Plug in USB flash. My USB flash is 16 gig. For creating Windows 10 bootable USB flash, again double click on Rufus. Yes. Now USB flash is detected by Rufus. Click on select. Find the ISO you download before. It is on download for me. Select your ISO, open. Leave everything as default. Just you can change the volume label if you want. Click on start. OK. 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 It will take a few moments to create Windows 10 bootable. Please wait. When it is complete, click on close. Now come to this PC. Look here. When you see this icon, it means your flash is ready to install Windows. If you don't see this icon, you can unplug again. Plug in, you will see this icon. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to like this video for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.